Okay, so we are at Tyresö Castle and I just arrived, and there's another gentleman here taking photographs, and I walked over and there's a beautiful owl sitting just in a tree through here. Maybe I can show you. There's a broken tree just over there and the owl is just perched at the top of it. So I'll put those photos up now so you guys can see them, but I'm gonna go for a wee walk here and try and get some nice photos of some of the ducks and maybe a kingfisher. I doubt it, always in doubt of that bird, but yeah, been here 5 minutes and already got some amazing photos of an owl. Well, I think they're amazing, we'll see when we edit them, but yeah, pretty good Tuesday so far. Let's continue. So I've just seen a white-tailed eagle for the first time ever, never mind being in Sweden. I think I've seen one in a zoo once, but that doesn't make a difference. So it was circling right up above me, so I got some video and some photos. That is just fantastic. And now there's some swans just beside me here on the water, and that could be my challenge photo of breaking the surface, something breaking the surface, so I could maybe get them breaking the water surface as they're feeding. So, and hopefully we'll see some squirrels, because I've heard there's some squirrels around here recently. Yeah, already a fantastic day's photography. I've only been here about half an hour. So yeah, it's fantastic. Oh, I'm so happy. Let's see if we can get these nice swan photos. So I didn't actually get the photo of the swans. I got some photos of woodpeckers instead, and I met two ladies who had their binoculars, and there was a really big pigeon that looked like a different type of bird sitting in a tree. So we were mesmerized by that for a second. And then I just came across the bridge to the little cafeteria here. It's not open, sadly. I could do with a cup of coffee. At Tyresö slot, Tyresö castle. But I saw some other beautiful water birds just sitting and grazing near the bridge. I got some photos of those. I don't know what they're called. I'm going to try and research it because I'm not very good with birds' names. I just think they're beautiful. But I'm going to walk over here and see if I can get some better images. But it's such a nice spring day. Sun. Got another half an hour probably of sunshine. So we'll try and get some photos here and hopefully I can show them to you. Alrighty, so it's been a fantastic walk out at Tyresö Castle today. Seeing an owl, white-tailed eagle, and a whole lot of other beautiful birds. No squirrels though, that's what I'm looking for now. Just trying to see if they're around. That's where I spotted them last time. But there's not too much movement. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the photos. They'll be posted on my social media, Instagram, Facebook. If you want to check them out, it's just you and Craig. I'll put it here on the screen. And yeah, until next time. Sadly, we didn't get the challenge completed. I still have to get that done soon because I'm a little bit behind now. But yes, until next time, look after yourselves. Cheers.